If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube or follow us here on Instagram.
Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMtrading. Today's November 29, 2019, and today is Friday morning. So looking at the major economic events of the day, just one event coming out of Canada. That's a monthly GDP number coming out at 3:30 South African time. Now, today is the day after Thanksgiving. Yesterday, we had a national holiday in the United States, so the U.S. markets were closed. And obviously, some of the other markets were affected by it. But taking a look at yesterday's markets, we see that the currencies remain flat. Okay, euro trading at 110 and really not moving more than that. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, we retraced this morning, but historically speaking, the day after Thanksgiving is a rally-ish day. Okay, so that's what I would expect from today's trading. Now, looking at the commodities, also they remain pretty much unchanged. And lastly, looking at the stocks on their highs, we ended up Thanksgiving Eve on our highs, okay? And the question is which to rally next? Which stocks will take us higher? But let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So we're taking a look first at the Euro USD and just to highlight this, okay? Again, just for the sake to give you guys some perspective of where we're trading. We're trading right now at 110.10 at the Euro USD, as you can see down here on a 4-hour chart. And it's pretty much flatlined. I mean, we're in a 20 pip range, almost impossible even to scalp to make money in this type of environment. So you do want to look at other things to make money. So I'm going to jump into the Dow Jones just to give us a perspective. Now, the Dow Jones hit a all-time high last week of 28,200-ish level, and we're retracing about 120 points right now, okay? And between the sell-off after close last week and this morning's open, we're trading at 28 flat, okay, 28,088, and this is pretty much a good base point for us to jump off, okay? In these type of environments, when the market rallies, the next day it opens down, and then the market rallies even more the next day, okay? And that's what I expect from today's trading, okay? It may be that on the flip side, to make the argument, it may be that a day of some people taking their profits, selling into the end of the year. That could also happen, but I do expect a little bit of volatility in this American market. Now, when we look at the stocks, they're at all-time highs. Looking at Apple, you could see we're trading at $267. Google at $1,300, Amazon trading at $1,800. All the FANG stocks, everything is on all-time highs. Look at a weekly chart just to give us a perspective. So we still have some room to make it up here to this 1900, 2000-ish area. Now, looking at Facebook, we are closing in at that 212. So I'd like to see some picking up on the particular stocks that are trying to catch up to their all-time highs, where some of the stocks are already there. Now, looking at Microsoft, we are there at $152 a share. Okay, so this is really breaking higher, breaking higher, breaking higher, and at some point we're going to correct itself. Okay, so just imagine that today we correct ourselves. You may get that opportunity, intraday. So you got to just keep your eyes glued to the markets between 4:30 South African time and about 7:30, 8:30 South African time as well for the U.S. markets to be open. I'm not focusing on the currencies. I'm not focusing on the commodities, because as you can see, the focus now is the U.S. stock market. So keep an eye on that as that develops later today. I want to wish everybody a great weekend. Thank you.